Hi, my name is Dakota Stike, and I'm here to talk to you about interactive media and Maya and the program Maya. So this is Maya. This is the startup screen, and this is their logo. Maya is really a modeling program that is used to create 3D models of pretty much whatever that you can imagine. It's a very good program. Professionals use it, and it's all around. It's a great program. It is not a free program, but however, our actual university does use it, and I do use this program in my interactive media intro to digital design class. It's super easy to use. I've had some background with 3D modeling, but it's very easy to use. It's not super complicated. Like all the buttons are where they should be. The keyframes are very easy to remember, so you can just press them and be where you need to be. And it's a very creative tool that allows many people around the world to do what they love. So this is what Maya looks like when you first open it, and as you can see there, whoever that is, has a square on their platform that they're going to transform into whatever they want to do. This is very simple, as you can have a couple of keystrokes and it'll look like a building. You can make it really big, and you can chop it up into little blocks to make it look like little windows, and it'll be a building within seconds. That's another strength of Maya. It's the key bindings in it are fantastic and very easy to use. And this is some stuff that has been done in Maya. You can do pretty much anything. In the top left, there's a bumblebee. Looks incredible. And then in the bottom right is some random monster somebody created, and they're actually animating it in that photo. It's very well put together, and it's a very good program. And it also has a game part of it where you can animate it and put controls on it and stuff like that for the game engine part. But this is mostly more of a modeling program that is used for video games or sci-fi scenes kind of thing. But this is Maya, and I wanted to show you guys a little bit of it. I have it opened up right here. This is actually one of the projects that we're working on at IMED. We have to create a rocket, so I got a image from Google, and I'm basing my rocket off of a current NASA rocket, as you can see here. But very easy keybinds, like I said. You just hold the Alt key and press your mouse to zoom in, and then I can click on this. I can go here, hold space, and it'll take me to this, and I can go here, and then I can also go anywhere. It's very easy, and just I don't know how to explain it. There's many different tabs here, like shelves is what they call them. So you can do sculpting, you can do rigging, animation. Like I said in the other one, that guy was animating the monster, rendering, FX. But if you look over here in the workspace, if you go down here, there is XGen, animation, rendering, and then also motion graphics. Motion graphics are part of like movies. You can do fluid simulations. There's a ton of different things that you can do with this program, but the one thing that I love about it most is that it's very easy to use. The only downside is the files that they use with Maya when you save them they can't really transfer to other programs. It's easy because they have a certain file. They're an MB file, which isn't very easy to convert to another program's kind of files system. So it's kind of dumb, but at the same time, I don't know why you'd want to transfer it, but that's just how it is. But that's the one downside to this this software. So thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you have a good day.